Hello everyone, welcome to our UiPath Bot Central channel. Today we are going to learn about how to implement the coded test case with the help of autopilot. In our previous session, we create the test case to writing this C# script manually, right? So you can see, so this is a log message, then this is the website launching script, then I'm doing some options like typing the address, company name, emails, roles and everything, right? Then finally I'm hit on the submit tab. So same thing, same approach we are going to do with the help of autopilot. So I will open one more set, right click, coded test case, choose autopilot. Yes, it's get loaded. Now you can see the same thing like a basic format has been created, the imported record parameters, then syntax, then log message. Then already we captured the website like we are going to launch the RPA website. Then we are typing these fields, then finally hit on submit tab, which is referred this website. Okay. So yesterday it took some time, right? Like around 10 to 15 minutes. So now we are going to do the same script approach with the help of autopilot. Just right click here. You can see generate code. The Do you have any idea like about this autopilot? Autopilot is nothing but you can give the scenario through the prompt. Based on that prompt, it can able to generate the code. So okay, so first take Chrome dot, which means I'm going to refer this main launch screen RPA challenge launch website and take remaining elements to perform data entry operation and hit on submit button. You can see just two lines. What I mean to say, just take this as element as your launching website. Once it's get launched, take these sub elements to perform the operation, to type the address, company name, emails, everything, then finally hit on submit. Let's see how it gets generated. Hit on generate. It quite takes some couple of seconds, max to max 10 to 15 seconds. We will wait for the moment. Yes, you can see within 5 seconds it gets generated. You can see it's automatically launched this website, then typing the field. You can see that it's already giving the sample input as well. First name John, last name do, company name DOE, address, email, phone number, loan amount. Then finally app.click submit. Okay, you can see all the operations are invoked. Then dot click. So same approach yesterday we did manual, right? Wait a moment, let's get loading. Yeah, you can see that. So this is our autopilot series, right? The same approach we done manually yesterday. It took almost more than 10 minutes, right? So same thing we achieved with the help of autopilot within a few seconds. So we'll check this execution. Okay, I'm going to start the head tab. We'll see how it works. It's compiling the script. Okay, it's launched. It's type first name, last name, company name, role in company, address, then email, finally phone number, and submit. Okay, so which means it's entered almost everything. App dot click. Okay, I'm going to give continue. Showing some error. Let's see. So this final submit tab Sabi is not working. We'll check. Okay, okay. We can see that is get additionally created this loan number feature. We'll remove that. Whatever it is, or after generating the autopilot, we have to check once whether it is proper or not. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, just typing one more time. Address, then phone number, email ID, then submit tab. Yeah, it's worked perfectly. Yes, guys, you can see like autopilot how it save our efforts. Okay, so whenever you are going to deal with any real-time projects, so if you want some retries, some features, some actions you want to enter in the C# script, you can utilize this option. Just click on right click on generate code, then it will help us to create the code. Then post that you can demonstrate the end-to-end testing. Okay, so in upcoming videos we will see about the testing framework, then with the real-time examples. Okay, guys, thank you.